Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add the music to a video on iPhone step by step. So whether you are editing a clip for social media or you just want to make your videos more interesting, adding a background music on your iPhone is really very easy. So here is how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Photos application on your iPhone. In it, you just have to find that particular video which you want to add it. When you open the video, you will see the edit option on the top right hand corner of the screen. So when you tap on it, it is going to open the built-in video editing tools in front of you. Now for adding the custom music, you just have to open your iMovie application on your iPhone. Now as you can see, currently I'm in my iMovie app. So over here you will see three different options to start a new project. So among these, simply tap on the option of movie. Now from your gallery you need to select that particular video which you want to basically edit. After selecting it, tap on the option of create movie. Now here inside the editing screen, simply tap on the option of this plus icon here on the top. Now among the given options, look for the option of audio. From here you just have to choose the music from your iPhone soundtracks or sound effects. So here let's say I go to the soundtracks option, and from the given songs I'm going to tap on, let's say, this one. Now after tapping on it, it will start downloading, and in order to add it you just have to tap on the plus icon right next to it. So once the music is added, simply drag the audio clip on the timeline in order to match it with the video. You can also trim it so that the music fit perfectly with your video. Now after finishing your editing, simply tap on the option of done on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once you have edited your video, simply tap on the share icon over here. Now select the option of export the project, and you can also share or save this video for the final version. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.